As is sometimes the case in the Midwest, baseball doesn't always start exactly when you want it. Had a day's wait or so for both the Tigers and Whitecaps, but we're well underway now.
And it just seems like it's worth it. And people don't have anything to do tonight, George. There's another game coming up after this one. Head out to the ballpark.
Yeah, absolutely. We've started on time, and we're doing that 7-inning thing, and then about a half an hour between games, and then we do another 7-inning game. So it's going to be great. The evening should be great. It's a little bit cool. I'd rather be sitting on the first base side where all of those folks are, because it feels a lot warmer than it is in the shade on the third base side. It feels about 10 to 15 degrees cooler in the shade. So if you're coming out and doing anything here tonight, you'll need a jacket because the breeze is still up there a bit. 13 weather ball is red for the weekend, and that means warmer weather ahead. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Starting out at 30 or a little bit cooler in the morning, jumping all the way above 60 here during the day tomorrow. Winds are going to be out of the south now for the next several days. That'll warm us up quite nicely, not only this weekend but into Monday as well. Finally, no precipitation on the radar. No rain, no snow, just a few high clouds coming on in. Those are coming in from the west. We'll see a few of those clouds over the weekend, but it will be dry. If you're going to do any yard work, make sure you be very careful with any kind of burning. Hour by hour, we're watching those high clouds to our west fall apart. The winds stay out of the south overnight. They continue out of the south during the day tomorrow. And tomorrow night, we'll see temperatures only in the 40s. And you notice just a few high clouds coming through, a couple of showers and thunderstorms across the UP very late Sunday night. They may trigger, get down into northern lower Michigan by daybreak on Monday, but then another round of some storms perhaps Monday afternoon, generally from Grand Rapids off to the south and east. Otherwise, temperatures after reaching at least 54 today here in Grand Rapids, we're down to 52 now, up to 81 out there in Pierce, South Dakota. We're going to start to tap into some of that here next couple of days. We'll hit 62 here during the day tomorrow, up to 71 on Sunday. I think that would tie the warmest temperature we've seen so far this year, and we may exceed that here during the day on Monday. But you notice there is some cooler air coming in from the northwest. That will be with us for Tuesday. For your forecast for tomorrow, you can expect a lot of sunshine. South wind picking up in the afternoon to 7 to 14 here at the lake. You'll have cooler temperatures here right at the lakeshore because of the cool lake waters. Mid to upper 50s, low 60s in South Haven, where your wind will not be off the lake. Up north, you'll be in the upper 50s to near 60 with plenty of sunshine. A little bit of a southwest wind at about 8 to 16. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, we're looking at high temperatures generally up into the low 60s, including 62 here in downtown Grand Rapids. And as you can see, there are a number of river flood warnings and river flood advisories. If you're walking or hiking or biking along some of those tributaries, be very careful and watch out for the rising flood waters. 62 tomorrow, blue skies, south wind, sun coming up at about 7:13. 5-day planner, after the 70s, we'll drop into the 40s briefly on Tuesday. We'll recover really nicely on Wednesday of next week as the dry weather moves back in. 13 on target forecast. Plenty of dry weather most, if not all, of next week. There is a passing shower very late Wednesday night. It's only a 40% chance. And right now we're moving the showers out of Easter Sunday day into Easter Sunday night. After we hit 67 next Sunday, we'll be back down into the 50s the following Monday. So great night to be out at the ballpark and a great weekend to be out anywhere here in West Michigan.